Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. For today's video, I wanted to do a 5-minute and 5 product sort of a makeup tutorial. Now this is perfect for summer if you just want to wear a little bit of makeup around your house, or if you're a frontline worker, if you're a doctor, a banker, or an essential worker and you want to wear a little bit of makeup underneath your mask just to brighten up your day for yourself. This is going to be perfect for you. It's lightweight, it's easy, it's quick. So yes, without any further ado, if you want to know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I'm going to start off by taking a tint. This is by Daughter Earth. This is their Vitamin E Lip and Cheek Tint, and I'm going to apply it on my cheeks. I love to apply tints on my bare skin because it just glides much more beautifully. Even if you go a little overboard right now, it doesn't matter because we will be doing steps later on to make sure it looks very natural. Moving on, I'm going to be taking a highlighter. This is from Ruby's Organic, and I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face. Again, I like to do it on my bare skin because the cream highlighter just glides much more beautifully on the bare skin. Once I'm going on my cheekbones, I will also go under the highest points of my brows just to get a nice overall lit glow. I'm also going to be applying it on the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. My skin already looks pretty good, but I'm going to add a little bit of coverage and make it a little bit more long lasting. So I'm going to be using K-Beauty's compact powder with a dense powder brush. A dense powder brush will ensure I get more coverage out of the powder. So I'm just going to start applying this powder all over my face. I'm going to pat it into place. I'm also going to be applying it on top of my tint and my highlighter. It will set it into place and make sure it lasts longer and the creamy products don't break down. It will also make it look much more natural, like I'm glowing and blushing from within. Taking Sugar Cosmetics Brow Arch Arrival, I'm of course going to be doing my brows because your brows frame your face. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the spoon and brush my brow hair out, and then taking the pencil side, I'm going to ensure that I keep them very natural. Because we don't have anything else going on our face, I want to ensure that the brows get natural and they don't look too fluffy. I'm going to take Rimmel Shake and Volume Mascara. Make sure you shake this up really well before you apply this. Otherwise, you won't get any volume or length from this. I'm going to coat my upper and bottom lashes with this and make sure I have nice and long wispy lashes because we're not going to be using falsies today, which is just so unnatural for me. I'm going to pick up my highlighter with a small teensy brush and I'm going to apply it on my inner corners just to bring some light to my look and make my eyes look brighter. And for the last step, I'm going to take my lip and cheek tint again. I'm going to apply it on the lips. I'm going to go in with a very light coverage because I don't want it to be too heavy. I want it to look like I've just had a gola or a chiski, whatever you want to call it. I want it to look very natural again. And yes, with that we finished this easy peasy lemon squeezy look. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Do let me know if you'd like to see more easy looks because I would love to do it for you guys. And yes, that's going to be it from my side for today. I hope you guys are staying home, staying safe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.